As far as the hearing is also concerned, we are told that the minor accused in the Pune incident had also reached the Juvenile Justice Board. What's happening right now?
Well, that is right. The Juvenile Justice Board will be hearing the review petition from the Pune police in this case. Obviously, bail was granted considering that the accused in this case was a minor. However, the kind of backlash that was being received not only from Pune but from across India, that why leniency was being provided to the accused, why the father in this question, a prominent builder from the city of Pune, was not held accountable initially by the Pune police.
Right.
The entire action by the Pune police. In fact, the opposition has gone to the extent of saying that burgers and
that is concerned, Arunil, I'm just interrupting you. I'm told that that will be Abhishek who will be sharing us the updates with us. What's happening in this hearing right now as we speak? Abhishek, if you can take us through the details, please.
See, definitely I'm present right outside the Juvenile Justice Board, and a few minutes before we can see in the visuals a minor along with his family has arrived. At the same time, a Pune police team from the Yerwada police station where the case has been registered is also present. In fact, the team of lawyer from the side of minor is present, and as we speak the hearing is going on, and we tried to request the judge that at least few media persons should be allowed during the hearing, so at least the entire nation comes to know that what is happening, but we were denied the permission. So we will be waiting cautiously that those defense lawyer and the prosecution lawyer comes out and at least let us know that what happened during this argument. And most importantly, the review petition by the Pune police seeks that this individual minor should be tried as an adult. Remember, his age is 17 years, 8 months, 4 months only left for him to turn out to be major, and that's the reason this petition, review petition, has been filed. And yesterday also Devendra Fadnavis has clarified that
kind of assurance that we also heard coming directly from the Pune Police Commissioner in that briefing that was held yesterday. Now let's see how they are taking up this matter right now in the court as far as the hearing which is currently underway. Abhishek was also there at the spot, unfortunately, when this accident happened late in the night last Sunday, when two individuals, a man and a woman, who unfortunately lost their lives when this high-speed, high-end luxury car rammed into their vehicle. Let's take a look.
जिन्होंने नाबालिग होते हुए भी उसको शराब परोसी, उनको भी गिरफ्तार किया है। एक तरफ हम देख रहे हैं देवेंद्र फडणवीस जो कि राज्य के होम मिनिस्टर है, उन्होंने पूरे सिचुएशन का जायजा लिया और आश्वस्त किया है कि हर वो कार्रवाई की जाएगी ताकि इन दोनों बच्चों को न्याय मिले। वहीं आज क्या फैसला जुवेनाइल जस्टिस बोर्ड लेता है रिव्यू पिटीशन में, उस पर पूरे देश की नजर रहेगी।
As far as we are talking about the developments, let's also talk about the news sections, because here the Pune police, we are told, had added 185 section of Motor Vehicle Act against the minor accused, which actually talks about driving under the influence of alcohol, which obviously, Arunil, is a punishable offence. It's a criminal offence. And there has been questions at the time, Arunil, when these samples were taken, because a significant amount was also lost by the time when this accident happened and when the samples were taken from this minor accused.
Well, certainly, yes. The actions initiated by the concerned police station from the Pune police, Yerwada in this case, are highly questionable. The reason for that is, in fact, preliminary report of the alcohol test, according to some of the relatives of the victims, also mentioned about the fact that how the alcohol test preliminary had given out results of being negative, when the actual CCTV visuals of the concerned pub wherein the accused, who is obviously a minor, was seen to be drinking, that's when it was confirmed and more tests were conducted. In fact, the relatives of the victims also spoke about how the police was mainly initially concerned about establishing why the two individuals, victims in this case, were roaming at night. They were not basically questioning the accused in this case, and the father was also not held accountable. Why? And a 17-year-old was given such kind of a high-end vehicle. He was allowed to splurge money to the tune of rupees 48,000 on a single dinner outing with alcohol, obviously in a high-end pub, and how the father was allowed to abscond from the city. Remember, he was arrested from Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar.
Right.
These all questions clearly come to the fore. All these actions that have been initiated by, be it by the Maharashtra Home Department or by the RTO Department of Police or by the police, Pune Police, these are the result of the outrage that has been seen across the city of Pune as well as across Maharashtra and across India. Initially, it was been considered or treated as only a mere case of accident, and unfortunately, this is what is happening in several other cases.
Well, that is the
in
impact,
India as well.
Arunil, exactly what we are looking at, a relentless campaign to bring justice at least to the victims in the case who have lost their lives. Their families are in distress. They are demanding justice, and that's the very reason why we are looking at, even when it comes to the top leaders in that position who hold that power, are also tracking the Times Now campaign. Please, both of you continue to be with us, because as far as this story has been picking up pace, there are exclusive details that are coming up, especially when it comes to the order of the Pune District Collector, the Excise Department of the district, that has sealed those bars which allegedly served liquor to the minor accused. He could be seen along with his friends. There were other two occupants as well in the car when this accident happened. And Times Now has also spoken to certain eyewitnesses last Sunday night, late hours, when we are told, when this incident was reported on the streets of Pune.
This is the sorry state of affair in Pune. How do you react to this?
I will react with only one thing. The parents need to take cognizance of their children. They need to educate them, especially the rich and the famous. They are making everybody's life miserable. They are setting a bad example by giving the children what they want, because they have a lot of money to spare and spoil their children. They can do whatever they want in the vicinity of their homes, but not outside on the streets.
You see the pubs all over in Kalyani Nagar now, the liquor shops in the vicinity of schools, and this particular road has become a racing track in the night for the rich and powerful. You see the high-end cars and motorbikes, running at 100-150 kilometers, endangering the life of the residents. But after repeated complaints also, not much has happened.
It raises questions on the judges and the jury who given the bail on this for a juvenile concern. At the same time, the kid is 17 years, 8 months. Yeah. By the time the trial will happen and everything will come down, he will be an adult. So he should be treated as an adult. At the same time, as a resident forum, we have started a petition to close down all the pubs and restaurants by 11:30.
Parents are responsible. In this case especially, they are responsible. The guy did not even have a driving license. How did he? And so many levels of failures.
Well, that's not just a sentiment amongst the Punekars. It's been nationwide among the kind of viewers who have been calling in, and they have been expressing their outrage over this incident, this horror, because now we are told, as far as the police is concerned, they are taking the legal route to ensure that the minor accused in the case is treated like an adult because of the heinous nature of the crime. The police has also filed an application in the district court with a request, but was told rather to approach the Juvenile Justice Board, where there is a hearing that is currently taking place in review its earlier order rejecting the Pune police's plea. However, the police has filed a review petition in the board, and the decision, however, is awaited. The hearing currently which is taking place. We also listen into what the Maharashtra Home Minister has to say, that the city police will be approaching the High Court again if the order is not reviewed by the Juvenile Justice Board.
तात्काळ या संदर्भात वरच्या कोर्टामध्ये ॲप्लिकेशन मूव्ह झाली, आणि ती मूव्ह झाल्यानंतर वरच्या कोर्टाने त्याचा कॉग्निझन्स घेतला आणि त्यांनी सांगितलं की या संदर्भात पहिल्यांदा तुम्हाला ज्युव्हेनाइल जस्टिस बोर्डकडे जावं लागेल, कारण त्या कायद्यामध्ये त्यांची ऑर्डर रिव्ह्यू करण्याचा अधिकार हा त्यांना आहे. ती ऑर्डर रिव्ह्यू करण्याकरता ज्युव्हेनाइल जस्टिस बोर्डकडे गेली आहे. कदाचित आज किंवा उद्या त्याच्यावर ज्युव्हेनाइल जस्टिस बोर्डचं जे काही रिव्हिजनमधली ऑर्डर आहे ती अपेक्षित आहे. मोस्ट प्रोबॅबली ते योग्य ऑर्डर देतील पण त्यांनी जर दिली नाही तर वरच्या कोर्टात निश्चितपणे पुन्हा पोलीस जातील.
We had taken the most stringent possible path we could have taken in this case. We had tried to tell the court that looking at the circumstances, when a juvenile 17 years 8 months old takes a car without a number plate to one pub and parties and has alcohol, goes to another party, again has alcohol, makes online payments from his cards, and then he drives at a rash speed leading to loss of 2 lives, it is heinous enough to be tried as an adult, and that is what our case was before the Juvenile Justice Board. We had said on day one itself that this order is not acceptable to us and we shall exercise all our judicial remedies which we have at our command.
Well, you heard that from the Pune Police Commissioner, because as far as the driving license is concerned, he's now been barred as far as the minor accused is concerned, because soon, in a few months, that he will be turning major. That means 18 years old. But he is now been barred till the time he turns 25. And the car's existing registration will also be cancelled. That has also been barred for at least 12 months. Let me go across to Abhishek on this. So no driving license for the minor, even if he turns major in a few months from now, Abhishek, he will not getting a driving license.
Yes, definitely. The administrative authorities now, in this case, RTO has woken up and taken a stringent step, and also they are reviewing all those cars across the city of Pune, those who are running without registration or without number plate, and they are taking action against them. At the same time, this important action has also been initiated against the minor accused, who after turning 18 will not be provided with the license to drive the car. This is something is happening. Also on the other side, the excise department has been seen taking action against those 2 important bars where, or those 2 important pubs where he was served liquor. Those 2 pubs have been closed. In fact, yesterday Devendra Fadnavis clearly pointed out those pubs who have been found violating the rules will be given order of closure directly by the authorities. And on the same, he also said, in fact, the Commissioner of Police Pune City has said that, in coordination with respective agencies, we will formulate a plan that how can we monitor pubs across the city of Pune. In fact, in coordination with RTO, that such kind of car without a number plate
that have now been initiated, viewers, as a result of the Times Now impact, as far as the relentless campaigning that we have been doing over this outrageous incident, this horrific incident that has happened. Now we are told, as far as the teenager, even if he turns 18, he will not be getting a driving license. The car's temporary registration, that has been cancelled, that was involved in this accident. And as far as the owners of the pub and the manager who've been placed under arrest, and the pubs where this alcohol was served to the minors, action that has also been initiated against them. The JJB hearing taking place underway as we speak. Arunil and Abhishek will keep us updated. We head into a short break right now. You're watching Times Now.